Welcome everyone to another exciting episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into some hot topics around artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and the latest from Google. We have a lot to cover, so let's jump in.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to discuss these developments that are shaping our tech landscape.
Absolutely. Let's kick things off with the recent surge in AI investments. We've seen record amounts flowing into the sector, but there are growing concerns about a potential bubble. What's your take on this?
It's a fascinating situation. On one hand, we have unprecedented investment levels. According to a report from PitchBook, AI investment reached over $30 billion in the first half of 2023 alone. But on the other hand, these soaring numbers do raise red flags. We've seen this play out before in tech bubbles, most notably in the late 90s with the dot-com boom.
Right? And the fear now is that some of these companies may not be able to deliver on their promises. What indicators should we be looking at to gauge whether we're in a bubble?
Great question. One key indicator is the valuation of AI startups. If you see companies with little revenue getting billion-dollar valuations, that's a classic sign of a bubble. Additionally, the sustainability of business models is crucial. If these companies can't turn their tech innovations into viable products, we may see a correction in the market.
So you're suggesting that due diligence is more important now than ever. Transitioning a bit, let's talk about Tesla and Waymo. Both have made significant strides in deploying their robotaxi services. What milestones have they recently achieved?
Tesla, for instance, has been rolling out its full self-driving FSD beta to more users, with CEO Elon Musk declaring the potential for a fully autonomous fleet within a few years. Waymo, on the other hand, has expanded its robotaxi service in Phoenix, offering rides to passengers without a safety driver in the vehicle, which is a huge milestone.
That is impressive. It seems like we're on the brink of a major shift in how we think about transportation. But do you think the general public is ready for this leap into autonomy?
That's a great point. Acceptance of autonomous vehicles is still a mixed bag. While many are excited about the convenience, there are concerns around safety and reliability. A recent survey found that only about 30% of people feel comfortable using fully autonomous vehicles. It's a trust issue as much as a technological one.
Trust plays a big role in adoption, for sure. Speaking of technological advancements, let's discuss Google's latest move with Gemini 3. This new AI model and suite of applications seem to be shaking up the market. What's so groundbreaking about it?
Gemini 3 represents a significant leap forward in natural language understanding. Google claims it can process information more effectively than its predecessors, and the integration with their existing platforms offers a much more personalized user experience. This could really change how people interact with Google products.
It sounds like a game changer. Do you think this kind of innovation could put Google ahead of its competitors in the AI space?
Absolutely. Google has always been at the forefront of AI, but with Gemini 3, they're doubling down. The competition, particularly from companies like OpenAI with ChatGPT, is fierce. However, Google's vast resources and data access give it a significant edge.
So, with all these advancements in AI, robotics, and massive investments, do you think we're on the verge of a technological renaissance, or are we setting ourselves up for another bubble?
It's a delicate balance. While the innovations are exciting and have the potential to transform industries, the cautionary tales from the past remind us to be vigilant. If investors can focus on sustainable growth rather than hype, we may just be entering a new era of technological advancement.
Wise words. Before we wrap up, what advice would you give to our listeners who are keen to engage with these technologies, whether as investors or consumers?
Stay informed and critical. Whether you're investing in AI companies or considering using autonomous vehicles, understanding the fundamentals and potential risks is crucial. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because of hype. Do your research.
Great advice. And for our listeners, what are your thoughts on these developments? Are you excited about the future of AI and robotics, or do you share some of the concerns we've discussed? Share your thoughts with us on social media or in the comments.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. Whether you're optimistic or cautious, your perspective is valuable.
Thanks for joining us today for this insightful conversation. We appreciate your expertise and look forward to having you back soon.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure to discuss tech trends with you.
And to our listeners, remember to subscribe to Tech Talk Today for more discussions on the latest in technology. Until next time, stay curious.